Alright, guys, we are back live again. And as you guys can see, I've already marked out all the important zones that we would be looking at for today. These are going to be nothing very similar like last time. Previously is low, previously high. And then I've also marked out the news high and low as we had the news high and low today. And a trade that I am interested in, I would want to take right now would be this one right here after it closes above the FEG. This is something that I'm quite interested in. But let's see if it gives a retracement or if it ends up closing above. We'll straight away go for it. But another important point to note here is I don't usually start for the 10 a.m. New York candle opens up, which is a 4-hour candle. So as you can see, we have 7 more minutes left. So usually I would either get a good entry anytime right now, hopefully if the candle closes above. Otherwise, we would wait for it to give us a good entry before we can enter. Now, specifically, why I'm interested in this particular zone is because I don't know if you guys remember what happened in the CPI yesterday, but there was a very similar reaction off of this zone, right? So that's why I've marked out this zone. So as you guys can see right here, I've marked out that specific zone. So I would ideally aim for the news high, and these two lines here are previous day open and close, and we have our previous day high right here as well, right, where it went all the way yesterday. All right, so now we just have to wait and see if it gives us a good entry uh, to see if we can get a good trade off of this, guys. Guys, all right, guys. So here we are. The 10 a.m. candle has opened up. The 4-hour candle, as you can see, it dropped down drastically. Took a lot of support here, and now it's back up again. So let's see if it gives a close above. We are going to get a pretty good entry off of here. All right, now we just have to wait and see if the candle is going to close above. All right, that's great. And that was pretty fast. Do not expect that. Okay, guys. Okay. God. I don't think it's gonna give us a good entry point right now because it just wants to shoot up. But let's see. It's gonna retrace a little bit back. Probably get a good entry of this, and we can try to go long and aim for the good side. Right. So let's see. Hopefully, if it closes above, we would be good to go. Okay, come on. 2 more minutes left. Ah, you wanna come down? Come on, come on, come on. Give us a good entry. Okay, guys, we'll see if it closes above or below. It's literally like 50 more seconds left, and not really sure what it wants to do right now. So we'll just give it some time and see what happens. Because yesterday, according to me, was just horrible price action, and I was not happy with the price action yesterday at all. So hopefully today ends up becoming better than that because they were just horrible games. I absolutely hated it. It was just ranging for 2 hours, and I absolutely hated the price action that we had yesterday. But let's see if we can get a good entry today. If we do, then that would be absolutely great, guys. All right, perfect, guys. Perfect. I think it's gonna give us a close below. And three, two, one. Yep, I'm in the trade right now. I've just entered right here. Right. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a bigger stop loss, just in case. But ideally, what I would be aiming for would be the news high. And what I want to see is if it in case comes back down and closes below the FUG right here, I would immediately exit out of the trade. Like I'm just out of the trade, guys. That is about it. So we'll see how that goes. So it just barely gave a close above. Uh, Let me like zoom in and see if it did. Okay, it actually did not. Barely gave a close above. So let's just see how this goes, guys. Yeah, so another issue I just wanted to highlight here, right, is that if you guys are looking at the NQ chart, the prices are going to be a bit different. Unfortunately, this is not NQ chart, right? This is basically the CFD version of it. So prices are going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I'm using FX Open right here. So prices are going to be a little bit different here. So sometimes I've actually lost a couple of trades like that in terms of like I would be late to enter, but in the actual NQ chart, the trade would be valid. but I wouldn't know it because there would be a difference of 1 to 2 points, right? So that always happens, right? So let's see. All right, this seems to be going good. I might ideally move my stop losses to break even right now because all right, guys. So both my stop losses are at break even right now. So I'm in a no profit, no loss state right now. So let's see how it goes. It's just a little bit away from our target. So I'm ideally targeting, like I said, the new side. So it's just like a few points away from it. Hopefully, if it takes it out, that'll just be great, guys. It's like literally like what 30 right now. It's barely. Oops. Oh yeah, guys. Yep. I think we might hit target anytime soon. Uh, let's see. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Right, 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 right. Little bit more, little bit more. Let's see. Let's go for it. Let's go for it, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can do it. So I've closed out half my positions. I've closed at 50% of my position. So I actually took two lots for this trade. So I've closed out one of the lots. So I'm just waiting for the other one to run. Let's see how that goes. Okay, perfect. I think it's gonna hit. Gonna take out our target. Come on, guys, just a little bit more. Let's see how this goes. Yes, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Yep, I exited. I exited all of my position, guys. So I've just made somewhere around 1,800 approximately today. Uh, so not bad. Pretty good start. Pretty good start to the day, I would say. And if you guys want to know in terms of points, I think we've just captured somewhere around roughly around, I would say, 50, 51 points. Not bad. Absolutely no drawdown whatsoever. As you guys can see, I've entered off of this candle. Absolutely no drawdown whatsoever. Could have held it for a bit more higher, but the news high was ideally my target, so I took it out. So I'm pretty much happy for the day. And I think it might push a little bit more, even further than this, because we never know. I could have held on to it, but I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I mean, I've made my 1,800 bucks, got my 50 points, so I'm kind of like done for the day. So let's see. I think this still has potential to go further. So if you guys want to hold on to it, it's up to you guys. But let's see how this goes. Okay, but overall, just a phenomenal trade, guys. A very, very, very clean setup, clean entry, absolutely no drawdown whatsoever. Perfect entry. It was absolutely great. So, so that's about it, guys. So we'll see. So I'm kind of done for the day. I'm not sure if I would end the stream right here, but I would look for some more trades ideally. But let's see how it goes. But for now, I'm done for the day. So I would see you guys. Okay, oof. As you guys can see, damn, that's just beautiful, guys. As you guys can see, maybe we could have held on to the trade. I don't know, because it's just who wants to just shoot up, right? Like, look at this, guys. It almost shot up like 70, 70, 77 points, guys. That's absolutely crazy. Maybe we could have left the runner. I don't know. Maybe I could have left the runner. I guess I would have probably made like 3,000 bucks off of this trade. But But I'm happy, guys. I mean, it's fine. I mean, I made my 1,800 side work is I'm fine with that. But yeah, maybe we could have left a runner, but it depends on people to people. Sometimes I don't leave. I don't like to leave out on a lot of runners. But hey, that's basically how it goes, right? So let's see if we get anything great after this. So yeah, guys, I think I'll just end the stream right here because we got our points. I'm done for the day. I'll probably see if I get any other trade. I'll probably come back in the PM session and I'll probably let you guys know if I catch some more trades off of this. So, guys, another thing that I want to highlight here, right? So, I don't know. I mean, there are better traders than me, to be honest. Because even though I've been trading for quite some time right now, when it comes down to the futures and when it comes down to the futures market, and especially when it comes down to ICT, right? I've been trading them only for the last couple of months. I would probably say somewhere around 4 to 5 months, right? But one of the things I've noticed is the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle that you see right here. It's a very, very powerful candle, right? I've literally made money every single fucking day with this candle alone, which is one setup. And every day I've been able to capture like 50 to 60 points, right? As you guys can see, all I did was wait for the 10 a.m. candle, wait for this FUG to get inverse, and then boom, we just captured like 70 points right here. And what in less than 2 3 minutes, like I was out of the trade in 2 minutes, guys, right? So one of the things I would say is, keep it very simple, right? Just mark out your previous day's highs, your previous day low. If there was a news prior to this, mark out the news size because that's a very strong point of liquidity. And every time you guys come at the 10 a.m., focus on the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle open, and you guys would always get a trade. Get in, get out. Capture your 40 points, 1:1, 1:2, depending on what you're risking. Do it, and you're just pretty much done for the day, guys. That's all. Just keep it very, very simple. And one of the reasons why I started this, started going live, also just to, not only to help people out, but also to help myself out because when I'm recording myself, I do understand what I'm doing, so I don't do any mistakes and stuff. But as you guys know, I've already marked out all of these highs, right? So this is the previous day open, the previous day close. As you guys can see, it has taken both of them out. If I would have held it, then boom, I could have made like $4,000 off of this. But like I said, guys, I just focus on 1% or 2% a day, and I'm kind of done. Now the next target, ideally, in case if it wants to keep shooting up, it'll probably go for the previous day high, right? That's pretty much how I do it. Nothing, absolutely nothing complicated here. Just mark out your previous days highs, lows, news highs. Those are your main draw of liquidity. You just have to hold on, right? As you guys can see right here, I've already marked out this point, right? Why? Because this was the previous day's open and close, and as you guys can see, it came perfectly, took that out. Now, if it wants to go on higher, it'll probably go out and take the previous day's highs. It's as simple as that, right? Like nothing complicated over here. It's pretty much very, very simple, right? So that's pretty much about it, guys. I think I'll probably done for today. I'll probably tune in next time because I don't think we are gonna get any more trades right now, right? Either I should have left a runner, but unfortunately I did not leave any runners. So which I'm kind of regretting right now. I should have probably let it run, guys. I should have just fucking let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? But either ways, whatever happens, happens, guys. I'm out of the trade. This will definitely take out the previous day's high. I think probably the way it's going will probably take out the previous day's high. I think. So if I get any more trades, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I'm just ending this team because I'm kind of done for the day, guys. All right. So you guys take care. Adios. Bye bye.